Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a Webflow developer. Start your journey by grasping fundamental web design principles, focusing on user experience and responsive layouts. Next, build a strong foundation in HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript, which are essential for any web developer. Then, dive into Webflow itself, exploring its intuitive visual interface and understanding how it translates your designs into clean, production-ready code. This initial phase sets you up for success. Once you have the basics, focus on mastering Webflow's advanced features. Practice extensively with Flexbox and Grid to craft intricate and responsive layouts. Experiment with interactions and animations to bring your designs to life, creating truly dynamic user experiences. Don't forget to explore integrating third-party tools and custom code, which can significantly extend Webflow's capabilities and allow for unique solutions. Now it's time to build a compelling portfolio. Create at least 3 to 5 diverse projects that highlight your proficiency in Webflow design and development. Simultaneously, delve into advanced concepts like client-first development, ensuring efficient and scalable project delivery. Also, gain a solid understanding of SEO best practices and performance optimization techniques directly within Webflow to make your sites discoverable and fast. To advance your career, actively engage with the vibrant Webflow community. Participate in forums, attend virtual meetups, and join online groups to connect with peers and mentors. Start seeking freelance opportunities or entry-level positions to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Remember, continuous learning is key. Always stay updated on new Webflow features and broader industry trends to remain competitive and grow professionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.